Yo, YouTubers, how you doing out there, my friends and my subscribers and everybody who's tuning into the Roller Coaster Rides channel. Nice. Oh. I finished this off. And it's quite intoxicating, 4.4%. I could say taste wise, I wasn't too impressed, but I don't know. See what other people have to say about that one. Anyway, got another one from the Lidl Craft Beer Festival. I looks like to see this old man on the screen. Okay, it's from the 71. Excuse me, the last can. It's from the 71 Brewing Company, and it's a beer called GS Gear Shifter. Gear Shifter, single hop, Citra IPA, 5%. Nice up there, trendy. 71 Brewing Company, 71 Brew Company, 71 Brew. 71 Brewing Company. Right, let's get into the nitty gritty, Right, Gear Shifter. We're taking it up a gear with this single hop IPA. Citra takes centre stage with big flavour notes of grapefruit, citrus, tropical mango and lychee, all shining through. Contains barley, wheat, oats. So I take it the fresh modern beer brewed in Dundee, Scotland. Dundee, Scotland. Right, any other information? Missed anything? No? So we take it's got Citra hops in it. Just a single hop. Citra. Gear Shifter. Right. And time check, it's actually still the 22nd of May. 22nd of May today, and it is 16:58, which is roughly 2 minutes to 5 in the evening. So I'm not drinking too early, am I, folks? Not too bad, huh? Let's get it going, eh? 71 Brewing Company. See what we got. Looks really exciting, like another just another IPA, but this time compared to the last one we can see an actual thing on the top there called Ahead. You see? Yes, once upon a time there were these things you could get on your glass of beer called Ahead. They're cool. It's like similar colour, so it's like amber, gold, lovely oranginess to it. Bubbles are like fizzy little bubbles of fun, ready to pounce on you and just scream and go. Let's see the smell. Smells right. Fresh. Orangey. Citrusy, as we expect. The foam's getting in the way though. You can see. It's a live alive-o. We've actually got a cum shot for you before we start drinking, you see. Lovely, like you're in the pub. Got that homebrewy look about it. Hasn't it? Got a homebrewy look about it. And what we have on 721 Brewing Company. Gear Shifter. Single hop IPA. 5%. Let's give it a taste. Like I say, smell not too dynamic, but you know, sort of the usual. Okay, up hell yeah! Up hell yeah! Up hell yeah! Don't even know what it means, you know. Up hell yeah. Melanie. Melanie. Sweet, appetizing, silky mouthfeel. Shit. Just doing that there. Trying to be professional there, you know, like professional reviewing, and then it's just and my neck done this like sort of you know, an internal bell just like bollocks, it's ruined everything. Okay. You see the head still hanging out. So it's a bit of sign of a decent quality brew. A little bit confused on the flavour though. Anyway. Oh. Oh, dear me. Ah. It's fun. I like it. The citrusiness on the tongue is like sherbety. It's like a really nice, like fizzy orange juice, quenchy, thirsty thing on your tongue, and then that just sort of dissolves like it's a bit like a bottle of lemonade or something. Something like that. It's like fizzy drinking. Come on. Citra. Yeah, it's got Citra in it, I can tell. Single hop Citra. Which is probably Citra, which has got that all round citrusy flavour, hasn't it? Shit. Oh my God, take this seriously at all. Oh, fuck. Pardon the French, by the way. Pardon the language. I think that kind of took me by surprise. It's quite intoxicating, you know what I mean? And then I've just opened that, you know. Obviously a little bit intoxicated from the beer before. So it makes it a little bit, you know, a bit hard to concentrate. Lovely green colour, or a white can. I like that. It's also to be t-shirt, which I've been waiting for a month. Yeah, 5%. Okay. It's fun. It's fun. I like the taste of that. No, and the sort of the grapefruity thing and all that. It's not too bad. It's not like too that, you know, like that bitter aftertaste. It's actually not bad. The cum shot's hanging around. It's hanging around. You can clearly see it's still alive. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, it's a fun drink this, I'd say. It's a very refreshing. Very refreshing. The water's really nice. It's a lovely, smooth, very silky smooth mouthfeel. With a little bit of fizz. Very delectable. They're very delectable. No, the Citra hops are blatantly obvious there, like. It's basically what we're getting. You asked for it, and that's what you got. I can see there's a lot of minging colours in there, so it's probably conditioned in the can. Minging. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I can't really complain about that, really. Look, you can see the quality there, look. The lacing sticks around. Hangs around like a TV licensed detective van. Time to give it a rating, shall we? Getting serious hiccups because of everything. Yeah, it's that smooth, that. It's nice. I like the lovely mouthfeel. Very delightful. On behalf of the Alcoholics Anonymous regime of Earth, I announce this beer a well earned 9 out of 10. That's a 9 out of 10. Because I like it. It's very sharp and zingy, and it's refreshing, and it's nice, man. It's quality. It's 5%. It's the magic 5. You don't want to go beyond that, do you? Yeah, 9 out of 10, I think. I'm struggling to say 10, you know what I mean, because it looks fantastic and oh man. I'll stick with 9 out of 10. But to retain its quality, it's a delightful beer. 71 Brewing from Dundee. Well done, you fellas. You deserve a mighty salute. And if you want to send me one of those free crates to review, I'll always be happy to receive. Alright, thanks for watching. 9 out of 10. gear shifter from Lidl, from the craft beer range. Oh, I'm just gonna throw up. No, I'm only joking. Yeah, 9 out of 10. You can see that. Lovely, isn't it? Oh, isn't it lovely? Thanks for watching. You're fantastic. I love you all.